Understanding team formation, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting phrase, team formation. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, especially in professional or group settings. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Team formation refers to the process of bringing together a group of individuals to form a team. This team could be for a project, a sports activity, or any collaborative endeavor. The key aspects of team formation include selecting members with complementary skills, defining the team's goals, and establishing roles and responsibilities. It's not just about putting people together. It's about creating a cohesive and effective unit. Team formation is typically understood through Tuckman's stages of group development: forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Each stage represents a step in the team's journey towards becoming a high-functioning unit. 1. Forming. This is the initial stage where the team meets and starts to understand the project and their roles. 2. Storming. Here, team members might experience conflicts as they try to work together. It's a natural part of the process. 3. Norming. The team starts to resolve conflicts, establish norms, and build stronger relationships. 4. Performing. The team reaches a stage where they work efficiently and effectively towards their goals. 5. Adjourning. This final stage occurs when the team disbands after achieving their goals. Understanding team formation is crucial in the workplace. It helps in managing teams more effectively, fostering a positive work environment, and ensuring the successful completion of projects. Being aware of the stages of team formation can also help individuals navigate through the challenges of working in a team. We hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the concept of team formation better. Remember, being part of a team is about collaboration, understanding, and growth. Stay tuned for more insights into English phrases and their uses. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.